Okay, Ethan Finch Creek, Shea Victoria, Daxon Lincoln, anybody who wants to watch. We're gonna do this one specifically for Ethan Finch. Whoop. That's a lot of blocks. Still more in there. Still more. Holy cow. Alrighty. I want to make another train. We got Stinky Pig. That's because we play this little game and you can make them fart. Stinky Pig, Thomas the Train, and we got a little army man here. And let's get to it. So I want to do a little bit more of a shapely train than the one I did the first time. So we're gonna give it a go. And you know, we don't have wheels, but we're gonna make things that might give the appearance of some kind of train wheels of some sort. All right, and I'm starting out with these two colors. What color is this one? You're right, that's a red and green, a nice Christmas green. Green and red. But I think we want another wheel. So we'll do a blue. We'll start with those. And maybe we'll even spread out the wheels. Put a little spacer between those. This will elongate the whole train. Make it a little longer. I'm going to move some of these out of the way of the front so you can see the front, at least. Okay. Wheels. And then we'll give some height up on there. And we'll just try and mix the colors around. And what color is that one? Right, that's a blue. I'm going to save this. We might, actually, yeah, we'll save this for window. We got a couple more that could be used for window. So, very good. We'll use that for the window. For the engineer. Can be inside. Yeah. That's looking sort of train-like, perhaps. Yeah. We need some more height still, like that. And then we need a cap for the whole top of this. And, you know, they sort of hang over the front and the back, probably to keep rain off, maybe. Okay, we're still going to need to build a bigger front end. So let's add those pieces in. Yeah. I think I need this to be flat right there. so that we can put in the little smokestacks for the steam to come out of the steam engine. Okay. And we'll put this on as if that's the steam. We'll put it coming out of the back a little bit, see? That's a puff of steam coming out. Yeah. But I think we still need maybe a little more height up front. If I get a little bit more and put another one of these on, and then I can add another smokestack, and we'll use that same yellow puff of smoke, yellow puff, 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 puff coming out. Right, now we need the scoop, we need the cattle scoop, we need this to scoop up front, so I need to shape that a bit, maybe like so, and then let's do a longer one up front like that. Okay, that could be the main steam engine. Railroad man, steam engine, Thomas, engineer, my Grandpa Creek, your great Grandpa Creek. He's sitting right there, driving the train, steam's coming out. But now we need to have this whole engine hook up to something. So let's do one more car behind in the back here. Another car. We'll make this an attachment of sorts. That'll be, we'll say that that's going to be the attachment to the next train coming back, the next car. And since we're out of these circular ones, we do have one here. We're going to use that for the cab, but we'll improvise. And we need to, I think you can see past Stinky Pig. I think we'll use these as wheels, and we'll just put some spacers in between, kind of running out of the full bigger rectangular blocks, so we'll do some other shapes, and we'll use the two blues as the wheels. If you can see that, I think you probably can, and I think you can see me. Okay. Maybe we cap those off. This sort of works, doesn't it? Wheels behind. And we don't need a cattle guard on the back, but I sort of think we need an end piece. I'll put Stinky Pig here. You can see this direction, I think. Now, I still think we need more height before we start putting on the cab. See, I'm out of the big reds. I do have two matching greens. Put that on top. Now we have the little car, train car. Second one. Attached, and I think we ought to put something in that little transition spot right there. Yeah, and we could almost we could still put another piece on the back here. The yellow. What if we do this? No. Yeah, well, maybe. Then it looks like another window. And that is probably smart. I think we could still add just a little bit more decorative touch up top. Not so much steam, because the steam's all up here in the engine, but we'll just do something decorative for decorative sake. And, wow. Maybe that's another little porch, little deck up top. Thing is, if you make it too tall, it won't get through the tunnels. But maybe this doesn't go through tunnels, this train. We just cap that, because we can. Decorative piece. Almost needs a little bit more shape back here on the rump of the train before we cap it there. Looks pretty good. What do you think, Ethan Finch? Okay, I think that works for a little train guy, a little train. We've got the train, we've got the engine here. We'll say the engine is all up through here, and the engineer and the firemen are back here, stoking the fire, putting in the coal, and then it combusts and all the steam generates the power, and those are the steam clouds coming out. Cattle guard pushes off anything on the track, snow, or any animals or debris, pieces of tree limbs that fall on the track. They can push that off so it doesn't derail the train. And then we have our coupler here. This is our coupler piece. Attaches this to this back part, and we'll say this is maybe a passenger train car. You got people that can be in there, and they can get on a little ladder and come out, and this could be a little porch. Maybe they come out here and they shoot the pheasants from here as they go by. They could shoot for their supper, jackrabbits, things like that. That's pretty good. Look, we got lots of blocks left for another time, but I think that's pretty good. I don't think Stinky Pig's in the way. I'll put him in the back so you can watch. Put Army Man back farther. Maybe we can even put him on top. Stand guard. Okay. That one didn't take too long. Nice little train, Ethan. Hope you enjoy that one as much as the little elephant's gonna enjoy it. Oh no. The elephant gets to watch. As usual, per as usual. And a little dino. Little dino gets to take up the rear. He's the caboose this time. The elephant gets to watch. Okay. Thank you. That was fun. Let's do it again. Remember, I'm pretty fantastic with this, but you are super fantastic. Okay, let's do it again. Oh no, it's crashing! Dang. There it went. The whole engine gone. That's okay. We'll do it again next time. Okay.